Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mollie Payments. Review my usage experience. Mollie Payments Review My Usage Experience offers online payment processing services for businesses. It's aimed at small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and online sellers who need a reliable and easy-to-use payment gateway. Key features include accepting various payment methods, customizable checkout pages, and detailed transaction reporting. Their website provides details on pricing plans and supported countries. Their website highlights ease of use as a major selling point, emphasizing a straightforward setup process and intuitive dashboard. They boast transparent pricing with no hidden fees and offer various plans to suit different business needs. They support a wide range of payment methods, which is a significant advantage over some competitors. Availability is widespread across Europe, and their website provides a country checker to confirm support. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mollie Payments. Getting started was incredibly easy. The onboarding process was quick and straightforward. I was processing my first payment within 30 minutes of signing up. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays all transactions, and generating reports was a breeze. I particularly appreciated the ability to customize my checkout page to match my brand's aesthetic. Performance has been excellent. Payments are processed quickly and reliably. I had a quick question about integrating Mollie with my existing e-commerce platform, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful and efficient. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the range of payment methods supported. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, although their website is mobile-friendly. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for managing payouts, but once I grasped them, it was fine. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mollie Payments. It's a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly payment processing solution that has significantly streamlined my business operations. That's my overview of Mollie Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.